Hey, did you know that with just a few simple mouse clicks, you can totally upgrade your computer skills?
Oh yeah, there are some super handy mouse tricks that make browsing and multitasking so much easier. Let's share a few of the best ones.
First up, the middle click. Got a mouse with a scroll wheel? Give it a click like a button that's your middle click.
Middle clicking on a link in a browser opens it in a new tab. Perfect for keeping your current page open while exploring a new one.
And if you middle click on an open tab, it closes it. No need to search for that little X button, it's a serious time saver.
Now, let's talk about the top bar of any window. Instead of looking for the maximize button, just double click on the bar.
Yup, it'll make the window full screen right away. Great for quickly switching from a crowded desktop to a focused workspace.
If you have a mouse with side buttons, you can go back and forth while browsing, which is great when you're researching or jumping between pages.
Just click the back button to go to the previous page and the forward button to move forward again. Easy and really convenient.
Trackpad user, Mac or Windows has some cool touch gestures. For instance, on a Windows, a 2-finger swipe left takes you back a page.
And if you're on Windows, a 3-finger swipe can show you all open windows or switch desktops. So handy for multitasking.
Last but not least, let's use the scroll wheel for zooming. Just hold down the Ctrl key and scroll up or down to zoom in or out.
Perfect for when you want to read small text or zoom out to see a whole page. Works in most browsers and design programs. So, those are our essential mouse shortcuts. Try them out, and you'll see just how much smoother your browsing can be.
And if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech hacks.